Kurumjay, a very good afternoon. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari. Before we begin, let's take a look at the headlines first. Manipur observes its second anniversary of ongoing violent conflict with total shutdown. Stories. Manipur today observed the second anniversary of a violent conflict that started on May 3rd, 2023 with total shutdown. Markets and all kinds of business establishments in Imphal remained shut, marking the day when violence broke out in Churachandpur district 2 years ago. Responding to the call of CSOs to cease work on this day, all markets in Imphal city, including Kwaranban Kaithel, Paungna Kaithel and Thangal Kaithel, wore deserted look. Similarly, other markets in the vicinity of Imphal city, such as Lamlong Kaithel and Singjamai Kaithel, were also closed. Public transportation were mainly off the road as only a few vehicles were seen plying on the roads. On the other hand, various CSOs have organized a public meeting, tribute-paying ceremonies to mark the fateful day. Social activist R.K. Sanayaima, widely known as Meghan, has asserted that the ongoing conflict is far worse than the 7-year devastation period. The statement was made during the second-year remembrance of the ongoing conflict, which was jointly organized by Athobasingi Liklam Thi Balup, Maharaja Narsingh Memorial Committee, Jahi Taret Khuntakpa Maharaja Gambhir Singh and Athobasing and Ningshinglup at the funeral site of Maharaja Gambhir Singh at Langthabal today. The attendees paid the floral tribute to the portraits of Maharaja Gambhir Singh, Maharaj Narsingh and Hirachandra during the event. They also paid floral tribute to people who have lost their lives. Speaking further, R.K. Meghan said that the violence which was started by refugees from Burma has resulted in loss of innocent lives. While expressing concern over the uncertain fate of the state, R.K. Meghan also emphasized the importance of unity and to hold a stand against external aggressors.
It has the history that they program look at who much to Manipur Lemai the issue, yellow processing which with the same film they have said,
While a veteran politician Ojoy expressed suspicion on the possibility of centre colluding with adversaries to start the ongoing conflict in Manipur. He also expressed disappointment over President of India for failing to mention Manipur during her address at Lok Sabha. He also compared the atrocities faced by Manipur people during 7-year devastation period with the ongoing conflict in the state. Furthermore, Ojoy also asserted that the state government has failed to take stern action to resolve the conflict. He also emphasized the importance of unity among the indigenous communities to face external adversaries and to resolve the conflict.
Manipuri wayan bizar iloisang ikai kundaba mayam no wale praise ki ning tambal hidre misam prajada ate mayam no vote nai ba mong ta da gi sabase asi da gi sahi kargi shashon da Manipur laki ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯥꯁꯣꯟ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯛ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯉꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯠꯇꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯗꯣꯁꯥ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯗꯕ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯪꯒꯠꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ
VPF Sinam United Committee Pukhao and Rising Star Club Yumnam Patlo organized a second Remembrance Day of the ongoing conflict at Yumnam Patlo, Chingjing today. During the event, advisor of VPF Sinam H. Rajeshwar, along with attendees, paid a floral tribute to the brave warriors who lost their lives defending innocent civilians from Chin Kuki narco-terrorists who attacked Meitei villages. They also paid floral tribute to the people who lost their lives due to the violence. A public meeting was also held in connection with the Remembrance Day. Speaking on the sidelines, H. Rajeshwar asserted that there is no resolution for the ongoing conflict as Manipur governor failed to turn his words into action. While urging people to remain cautious on any eventuality, H. Rajeshwar further expressed disappointment over the failure to ensure free movements in national highways and the failure to take action against armed militants demanding a separate administration.
Ima lebaking namkhai asi thugairage haibagi wakhalon amaga loinana atoppa kanglup kayana akoida singnabagi pot amakak lakhibaduda mathwai khubak ta haptana ima lebak kandabe yade amadi khoigi phurup akoigi ngamkhai ngaktaba yade haidana thona phana thokiba kendra sigi thona phaba volunteer haibe yai khungak pa haibe yai makoi tarana yata khiba mafam leigidraba nausing isasing adugi mafam dangasi akoina Samjaba Angamba Hikal Tam Jaribasi, Sahi Kudingi Pangtok Jagani, Hanadaki Pangtok lying at Anisubasi Pangtok Jari, Makata Nazukoi, Haying Tung Koina, Nasikin, Ningsing Duna Kogi, Kendrasida, the Tawai Kakraba, Chilinau, Ichazing, Sigi, the Maktakoi, Angamba, Hikal like a Tratamba Havase, Kogi Tony, the one topone, Habadugi Wakalun, Lunana, Sigmi Pharmacy, Kogi like a Pakitoromasi Pangtok Jagani.
JDO, Imphal, UJYL, NNCL, KADA, JAKCL and PPANL today observed 2nd May, 3rd Ningxing Tharam of on the theme Bridging Divides for the Shared Future at the Hall of Imphal located at Babupara, Jiribam. During the observance, which was held under the aegis of Federation of Civil Society Organization, people paid floral tributes to the departed souls who were killed by Kuki narco-terrorists in the ongoing crisis. NNCL advisor KH Janaki, PPANL advisor TH Somorendra, JDO advisor Ilangbam Dewan, Imphal President Longjam Bimola and KADA President Yumnam Sumati attended the function as presidium members. Speaking in the program, KH Janaki remembered the unfortunate incidents that unfolded on May 3, 2023 and appealed for unity and courage among indigenous communities. She also prayed for the return of peace and harmony in the state.
Ansi haragadi, akoi thauna phabasu mathau tai, thamoi sengbasu mathau tai, aduga civil society organization singna magi tonganba wakhalonda magi pamjaba mawangda observe tawjasanu karisu kaide adubu landi akoi punna thengminasi haiba thengnaminasi haiba wafam asi ai thamjaraga akoi Manipur amugana shanti oiba oirasanu akoi tangdu leitana akoi ningtamna sasabangamba iramda masida nungaina ikopong hingbangam oijasi.
Manipur People's Convention on 2 years of Manipur crisis is being organized by Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, at Kumalampak Sports Complex. The convention is attended by people across the state, along with the student organizations, intellectuals, CSOs, Maira Paibis and families who were affected by the violence that began on May 3, 2023. Attendees have paid a floral tribute to people who have lost their lives due to the conflict. They also observed a 2-minute silence in honor of departed souls. Large number of people came to attend the convention, and that resulted to traffic jam at Kumanlam Park and nearby areas. Various resource persons from different communities expressed their opinion at the convention, which is being organized with Kokomi convener Kuraija Mathoba as chairman and retired IAS R.K. Nimai as moderator. The convention aims to find a resolution for the ongoing crisis and to safeguard the territorial integrity of the state.
For the last 2 years, Kunama support Article 14 literate, Article 19, human right, right to life, Article 21, Article 25, 26, religious right. Kunama Manipur literate. Manipur Praja Wakali, Bakunama Asiba Sinna Wakat Patona, Asiba Pakta, Jum Natada Bado, Aduguna Manipur Praja Singh, Asibani, Kalaga, John Raj, Narendra Modi ji, Asin Tabanum, Bharat Sarkar se, Mama Tahan Bamchangya, Mama Tahan Bamchangya. When I do to Sahari Bapuna Magasa, government in Garden Father, the Sunya Yaro, Lord Hazabana Samba. Adu government in Dani implement of Draba, Tabak to on top Draba, Laka, Tata, the Lane, Tum, the Lane. CSOs in Pantoiva, Mapunote and my Kaji, Masi Kitan Noizade, Punzi Hagadi, Miami Lusingo, Ivohan Punsi, CSO Hoyan Punsi. But the Namana, we see the discussion hours using young nose in a boy on parent island with Roma and some kind of Roy Hado, Michael Evan say, Carito Sigato Canasa, Problem Ligum say, don't go to Carino Toxe. Cheers, whom I am Biro, idea came down right, Tabaco, Levas is a Carino come there. The Sailor Levaning of Mama, he said later, Levaning of Walker. In the Agamena, Adu Tawi, Modi, Tunde, Roykani, Manipura Kari, Yellow Mina Canano, Yellow Mina Tavana Canano, Royna Makane, Lan Robomatam, the two of questioning the sea. Victim Madonna, Iraq in the two of questioning the sea. Criminal Madonna for your trip to
Arambai Tengol Bishnupur district, Apunba, also organized a floral tribute ceremony for those who have lost their lives while defending Manipur, as today marks second anniversary of the ongoing conflict that started on May 3rd, 2023 last year. Leaders and members of Arambai Tengol Unit 15, Bishnupur, along with Mera Paibi members and CSO leaders paid floral tribute to people who have laid down their lives during the conflict. Speaking in the event, second commander of Bishnupur district, Arambai Tengol Bishnupur, QRT, H. Romis, reiterated Arambai Tengol's stand to defend the motherland and protect the cultural and traditional heritage of Manipur. As the Manipur violence conflict marks its second anniversary today, Congress General Secretary in charge, Communications, Jairam Ramesh, has alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi continues to shun Manipur and Union Home Minister Amit Shah proved to be a big failure in managing the situation in the state, which has been in the grief of ethnic strife since May 3rd, 2023. In a post on X, Jairam Ramesh said the BJP formed a government in Manipur with a massive mandate in February 2022, and exactly 2 years ago today, the state erupted in sectarian violence. He wrote that the conflict that erupted on May 3, 2023 was self-dictated and self-directed derailment of the so-called double-engine government in the state. Jairam Ramesh further maintained that the anguish and suffering of Manipur continues. Political games are being played. No worthwhile reconciliation process is underway. Over 60,000 internally displaced persons continue to live in the relief camps in conditions of great stress. He said Manipur deserves better. The people of Manipur are waiting for the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to arrive in Imphal and go around the beautiful state and extend the healing touch. That's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Admission Hojare.
2025-26 session gi National Forensic Sciences University Manipur campus ta Professional Diploma in Crime Scene Management amasung Cybercrime Investigation Cyber Security gi form thaba hojari. Akupa marol gi damak aikoi gi website nfsu.sc.in/admission natraga aikoi gi mobile number 9233591616 ta contact tobirpa yagani.
Hakchang phana thamge hairabadi iramda masimakta da leiba khwaidagi pharaba hospital singi manungda ama oiriba Babina Hospital leijari.
Mapamasida thazaba yaraba amadi selyamna changdana specialty kunhenbada ana layengbagi khudong chaba pizari.
Pediatrics, cardiology, cosmetic surgery amadi specialty makal makha kayada aikhoigi specialist singna marik chumna thawai hakchang yauna layengjari.
Aduna state wangmada amuk karigi chatlugani aikhoigi Manipur da su hojikti awangba thaki healthcare fanglabada.
Matam manghan biraganu sel hena tingan biraganu aikhoigi specialist singdagi malemgi apaba thaki layeng patapta yumpham oiba service lobiyu.
Babina Hospital, where hope meets compassion.
Akupa marol gidamak Babina Hospital Sajiwa Jail Road Khabai Soi Imphal East Lengsin birau.
Natraga aikhoigi phone number 6909390666 ta call tawbirau.
Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Tenzing Chursang, Mission Manager Skills, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India undertook a 3-day official visit to Manipur from April 30 to May 2, 2025 to assist and review the progress of ongoing projects of the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana, DDU-GKY, and the functioning of rural self-employment training institutes across key districts in the state under Manipur State Rural Livelihoods Mission. The visit included detailed assessments of ongoing and closing projects under DDU-GKY with special focus on the status of training provided by the project implementing SNCs. In addition, Chursang held discussions with state officials and stakeholders to understand any operational challenges in implementing the skills development training programs in the state. The 78th Foundation Day of Indian National Trade Union Congress was observed today at the Hall of Minor Irrigation Employees Association located at Lamphelpat. The function was organized by INTUC Manipur branch and was attended by its president Yumnam Ranapratap, General Secretary Sagolsem Sanjeet, Legal Advisor Iron Pishuvu, and Intuk Women Wing Chairman Thaudam Sovita as the presiding members. Government of India has invited nominations for the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Purashkar in short PMRBP 2025, a prestigious national level award conferred annually by the President of India to recognize exceptional achievements of children across the country. The last date for submission of nomination is July 31st, 2025. All nominations must be submitted online through the official Rashtriya Purashkar portal at www.awards.gov.in. Nominations are open to children aged between 5 and 18 years as of 31st July 2025. Any individual or institution may nominate children with exceptional achievements for PMRBP. Children may also apply through self-nomination. The PMRBP honors young individuals below the age of 18 as of 31st July 2025 who have demonstrated excellence in the following 6 categories, that is bravery, social service, environment, sports, art and culture, and science and technology. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center, Lamphelpat state's maximum temperature was recorded at 29 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 18.7 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 96% in the morning and 47% in the evening. As per report, Manipur received 4.1 millimeters of rainfall in the last 24 hours. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur afternoon bulletin. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, have a great evening.